Hi there. In this video, we'll cover a basic example of a rail bridge. And this is an example of the bridge only, not including any metro station. And the goal of this study is to estimate the carbon footprint of a rail bridge over a period of 120 years. So here you can check the design life that is set for this example. And the next step is to understand the scope. So what will be included in the LCA model. This is a very basic example where we have the rail bridge itself, bulk earthworks for site preparation. And I also added a lighting example here just to simulate some operational impacts. The first step to get the model going is to import the data, either input manually via templates, adding templates, or entering a CSV file from bill of quantities or a cost plan, or even integrate with Revit. So these are covered in the different training modules. The components of the design itself consist of three main templates, and the templates are a group here of nested templates. So in this example, the rail bridge itself is divided into the bridge components. So we've got the board piles, pile caps, abutments and wing walls, bridge piers, approach slab, the bridge deck, and some concrete treatment, just an example, and lighting as well. So you notice that the templates, and this is covered in more details in the template training module, they have different design template quantity units. So for example, the board piles, they're measured in linear meters, whereas the concrete for the pile caps are entered in as cubic meters. So it's important to note this when putting your models together. The other important thing to mention here is the site preparation template, the bulk earthworks. So this is a breakdown of different components from cut and fill, soil excavation, and compaction. Breaking into the details of a template for the rail bridge. So we navigate to the template itself, then we go one level down to the nested template. So this rail bridge is built on the basis of one unit, so one whole bridge as a unit, and it includes different bridge components. So looking into the details of the board concrete pile, for example, and here we get, again, nested templates within nested templates. So these piles include the reinforcement steel, assembly, machinery, and foundations. So this is also covered in the template module, training module, but just to give you an understanding how the whole design is put together using templates. The last example here is the lighting template. So I've included here one example for security lights or maintenance lights, where we've got the embodied impacts of the lighting systems, the pole, the lamp itself, the maintenance and installation, as well as operational energy. We can include here the annual demand and create an operational energy template as well to go into your design. So again, very simple example where we have a rail bridge, the rail bridge scope, what are we actually including in the model, what are the components, they're breaking down as nested templates, the different template quantity unit, and then the overall result for this rail bridge, as an example, is 7,110 tons of CO2 over 120 years lifespan. So now with your base model completed, you can start analyzing the key hotspot areas and model improvement strategies. Please refer to the other training models for more detailed explanation on these topics.